Okay, wait, hear me out. Hear me out. I already know what you're thinking. Why in the world would I want to go on a cruise and do laundry? Okay? I'm not going to do that. I go on a cruise to relax and to vacation and so on and so forth. Hear me out. I hear what you're saying. I know what you're thinking, okay? Thanks for clicking on the video. My name is Randy. I make all kind of vacation videos, cruise videos, etc., etc. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, and let's get right to it. Recently, my wife and I went on a Disney cruise on the Disney Wish, which was amazing, fantastic. It was awesome. I've already got a couple of videos made on it, and there's a lot more coming on the way. But one thing that I told my wife that I was going to do on this cruise was I was going to try out the laundry service. Disney Cruise Line is one of the few, if not only, cruise line that allow you to do your own laundry on the ship. And I noticed that they had a laundry facility on the Dream in a previous cruise. So I made a little mental note about that. And so I told Lisa, I said, on this cruise, I'm going to pack some laundry, stuff, and I'm going to check out, if for nothing else, for my wonderful subscribers and viewers about the 411 on laundry on a cruise ship. So on the Wish, sure enough, it was a 5-day cruise. Around day 3 or so, I grabbed up our dirty clothes and I ventured forth to the laundry. And I've got some good pictures here all about that. And I got to tell you, it was incredibly convenient. Now, let's quickly talk about why you would want to do that. Number one reason, packing. Some of you are perhaps like Elisa and I, and you get, packing anxiety because of the weight limits on certain airlines. And if you go over the weight limit, they charge you extra. And sometimes they charge you a lot extra. So if you do like I did, I packed a lot less for this trip, okay? Instead of packing like Elisa on a 5-day cruise, she packed about, it seemed like about 15 outfits, okay? For me, I may have packed 4 or maybe 5 total outfits. And that's it, because I knew that I was going to wash, about halfway through the cruise. So therefore, my packing was a lot less stressful. So there you go. That's probably the main reason why you might want to consider using a laundry service on the Disney Cruise Line. Just for the convenience of not having to worry about overpacking, because if you need to, you can go to the laundry service and wash your clothes. Now, let's get back to it. So here's some specifics. I went early in the morning whenever I did it. I went probably about 6, 7 a.m., okay? And it was open. All right, went right in. I had my own laundry detergent and my own fabric softener, okay? They do provide that for a fee. I think it's a couple of dollars, $2 or $3, if you want some of their provided laundry detergent, but I brought my own. And it was incredibly easy. Went over to the washing machine. They had different settings that you could use. I put on a setting that I want. I put my laundry detergent in, put my clothes in, closed it, boom. And one of the biggest benefits of it was the app tells you when your clothes are finished. All right, on the cruise ship. All right, the cruise app will tell you when your clothes are finished. So I want to say the wash that I did barely took 30 minutes, 20-something minutes or so, and took it out of there, put it in the dryer, boom, put it in, fabric softener, whatever, put my correct setting that I wanted, went to work. The cost was $3 to wash and $3 to dry. So $3 per load on the Disney Wish. Very, very inexpensive in my opinion. So did that, and all I did was scan my band. I just put my band as a little reader area. You just hit your band on that, boom, you get charged. I got the washing done, I got the drying done. When it was over with, I folded up all the clothes and so on. They have plenty also of irons available, ironing boards and irons available for you to use as well. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Just food for thought. Next time, especially if you're going on a big cruise, on a 7-day cruise, you know, and you're worried about packing all that clothes, here you go. Take advantage of Disney's laundry service and pack light, pack less, and have a wonderful time. I hope this video helped you. I hope it gave you some really good information. Real quick before I wrap it up, Carnival does not allow you to do your own laundry, nor does Royal Caribbean. Those are the only two I really did research on, because those are the only two that I had interest in. They may, I know for a fact, Royal Caribbean will do laundry for you for a fee. I want to say the fee was around $35 to $40 for a load. And there's different packages that they offer for that. I did not look into it for Carnival. Carnival may offer something similar. Those of you, if you do any homework or you know it off the top of your head, drop me some helpful hints in the comments. Let me know if Carnival does it as well. But again, Disney is the only one that is fully self-serve, okay, and incredibly cheap. So, hope the video helped you. I hope you learned something, and thank you so much for clicking on and staying till the end. And if you're still here, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and dropping some comments there. It really, really supports me. The subscription really helped me out. I'm trying to build the channel, and I could use your help. Just click on that subscribe button and stay informed, because there's much more to come. Thank you so much, and we will see you on the next one.